Hi everyone, today I have made a remote control vehicle with an Arduino. The remote control vehicle starts moving when I press the following buttons in the remote. When the up button is pressed, the remote control vehicle starts moving forward. When the down button is pressed, the remote control vehicle starts moving backward. When the right button is pressed, the remote control vehicle starts rotating to the right side. And when the center button is pressed, the remote control vehicle starts rotating to the left side. And when the exit button is pressed, the remote control vehicle stops all the actions it does. This is the circuit diagram for the remote controlled vehicle. And this is the codes for the remote controlled vehicle. Their links are in description. So for more understanding, I'll go with the demo. So this is my remote controlled vehicle. Let me click the front button in the remote so that the car moves front. Now I'll click the back button. Now the right one. And now I'll click front again. Now I'll click the center, which makes it move left. And again I'll click front. And if I click exit, the car stops. And so this is how my remote controlled car works. So thanks for watching and bye.